go, Manny! Go, Johnny! Colton, yeah. Go, Colton! Go, man! Barry.
You got it. Let it roll. Let it roll.
Go up that middle or left. Go good. Mudman. It's Archer and shit at GNCC in the morning class when it's muddy.
There you go. Oh boy, you're good.
Go far left, far left. Far left, he did. Left. Hey, all the way left,
Second rider.
Hey, go far left. Far left. It's easy.
All the way. Go left. Go far left, Andy. Far left. Far left.
Left. And then go far left.
Let it roll.
And then go far left.
Oh, that's
Hey, you got it. They've been rolling it. Oh, no. And then far left is half. You want to take it easier, or the middle one, but the right's kind of gnarly. And then they're going far left to him in blue. Better path. Far left where he's at in the blue's the easiest, or the middle. Yeah, they're rolling it, you're good. Maybe it is. Right here. You can roll it, go far left. They've been rolling it, you're good, bud, I'm telling you. Just lean back, go far left. And then go way left. Way left over there is the easiest. You're fine, they've been going down it, bud. No. Okay, that works. There he is. Get it, Bobby. Go left.
Hey, right here.
That rock got moved. Like that, and far left or the middle. Left's the easiest. This guy's fast on this thing. Far left. And then go far left. Far left is the easiest, or the middle. Hit the rock. Far left or the middle. There's an easy way right there on the left-hand side. On the very left-hand side or right there in the middle. Just watch that rock. Same thing, the left's really easy. Good, he missed the rock. Oh, that's electric. Whoa! They've been rolling this and going to the left. You got it. Everybody's been rolling it. Everybody's been rolling it. Hold this, far left.
What?
Far left or the middle, but they've been rolling it.
Just let it roll. Let it roll.
And then, like I said, you go far left or the middle's got a root. That's good too. Right there. I guess they have some more e-bikes. That's cool.
Yeah. Be cool because they're lighter.
Maybe they gave one.
For the e-bike is really funny.
Go far left.
Roll that.
You can roll it, man. They've been rolling it.
Left, left, left. Left, left, left.
He's got it. Yeah, you know what kind of old glasses.
I guess right here.
Over there and hard left.
Thanks, guys.
All the way left.
They've been rolling it. Oh, he's going for it. E-bike power. And then go hard left. You're fine. You roll it. Nobody's gone over. Yeah, and, no. There's an easy one right there to the left. You're welcome, bud. 50 bucks. That's just a regular Ciron, right?
Yeah.
Hey, they've been rolling this and then going far left.
Just let it roll down that. You're fine.
I wouldn't tell you no. Or hit that. Yeah, that's good. And then far left if you want the easiest or the middle. No, I mean right here. They've been rolling this.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, I promise you, buddy. And then if you want to go easy, far left or watch the rock in the middle.
Okay.
Roll it and then far left right
But watch, there's a rock right in the middle of that one or go way left on the side.
Okay.
Yeah, that left side's way easier, buddy. I'm telling you.
there. Yep, right there.
Oh, and then into the tree. Watch out for that tree.
What's George? Shoot that hard left.
They've been rolling that, I promise you. And then, like I said, far left or the middle, but watch the rock. I promise you, buddy. They haven't flipped.
Just let it roll.
That's not my style of camera.